Widgets can be found under the control panel under the site build area. We have quite a few widgets that come already with the system, and I'm just going to give you a very brief overview over them. For example, here we have blog widgets, which are tied to our blog section, which allow you to show categories of blogs, maybe a preview, one entire blog, or maybe a list of blogs that are available. We have a call to action widget. This is something you can think of as where a user needs to fill out a form, and when they're done filling out a form, they would get back, let's say, a white paper or a valuable PDF for them. The next one on the list here is the event list widget. As the name implies, this ties to our event section, so this would enable you maybe to show a list of upcoming events on your home page. The external widget can be a very powerful tool. This will allow you to grab widget codes or HTML codes from other third parties. You can copy them from there and then paste them into this external widget and use them throughout your site going forward. So it's a very easy way to integrate with other systems. We also have a Facebook like box widget right here. You can tie in your Instagram feeds. We have a Lightbox widget, which is kind of like a image gallery. If you use this widget, you could tie it up to our media section. When clicked, it'll pop up, give you like a little light box that allows you to slide through different images. The next one here is a PayPal donation widget. Does exactly what the name implies. Then we have a poll widget, which we'll look at in a little more detail. The next here is a slider widget, very close to the Lightbox widget, but here the images stay in place and will automatically slide through. The next one here in the list is the text widget that we have. So this will allow you to place different text throughout the site. Let's say you might have a sponsor and you want to show that sponsor on different areas of your site. You could use it for this, and if you have a change in a sponsor, for example, it would reflect throughout your entire site. So you change something at one spot, but it makes or shows changes throughout your entire site. So let's go select the poll widget and create one right here. So we want to give this widget a name so we know what it is. So here we'll do a widget that has to do with voter age. We can have a few design things that we can do here. Let's say I don't want to have a color, or so I'll just select white for the color right here so it doesn't show up. Background color, question background looks fine to me. The link green I don't like. Maybe let's make this more of a red color right here. So move this up here. That looks about good. Question text and others are fine. Okay, so I'll go in here and pose my question. In this case, how old were you when you first voted? So, and now I can add some answers. So we'll start with 18. I'll put in another one. 19. Maybe some people here were 20. Well, let's maybe add one more and say 21 and older right here. So this positioning, we can kind of select where we'd want to show it. In this case, I'm going to select middle. Maybe it would be nice to have this centered. So I can preview this real quick here. Yeah, looks good to me. So I'll go ahead and save this widget right here. So now this widget has been saved, and it now shows up on my list of available widgets that I can use throughout the site. So only one step left. We do want to show this widget on a page somewhere on our site. So let's maybe use this custom page to show our widget. So I'll go on a custom page, hit this edit button right here, which puts this in edit mode. And I figure, yeah, why not put the widget right in this area? So I'll make a little double click here. And in this menu that opens all the way on the bottom right, this little cog icon allows me to select all the widgets that are currently available in the system. So in this instance, I'm going to take this first time voted widget that I created right here. Look at this, that looks good to me. And I'm going to save this right here, give the page here a chance to reload. Here we go, it says it's okay. Let's just refresh the browser here real fast. And here is our widget. So let's fill one of these out. So let's say, well, I was 19 the first time I voted. So I'll hit submit right here. And here we go, so we see the stats. So as people go and vote through this, we will actually see these numbers change. That's widgets.